Good morning, everybody. So I'll be explaining on how HTML works. So firstly, you have to create a folder. I already have a folder here, but I will delete the folder. Let me delete the folder and let me create a new folder for it. So let me create new. We can put OTM HND2 class. So I'll open my folder. Firstly, you have to make sure that your picture is in your folder rather. Then I'll paste my picture because I already have my picture. My own my own um my own system is reading JPG. So I'll go back. So then I'll go to my notepad. My notepad. So for every HTML hypertext markup language, there are some certain things that has to come first before you can start writing the initial code you want to write, which are the HTML, then the head, and the title. Sorry. So the title doesn't mean is a title of what you are doing. Title, how will I put it? Let me just say when you open Google now, Google will appear at the top, just like YouTube too. It's just like the default, like, do you get what I'm trying to say? And I can just put I can put anything. Let me just put, it doesn't have to be, I can put, let's say let's say about it. Let's say um I can put anything rather. I can just put OTM. Doesn't mean I just put it because I can put YouTube or Kiwi. But then remember it said first in, last out. So the title will be coming out first because it's the first in, last out. So the title will come first, then the head. Before we now proceed to body, the BG color, equal to, let me use the bright color. Let me use purple. Oh, sorry. So I would like to save my work now. So if you want to save, you go to file, go to save as, you go to your desktop where you have your folder. I've opened my folder. Then I'll save it as, let me save it as mohis.html. Then I'll make sure it is in all file. You have to save it HTML. If you want the command to work, then you've saved it like that. So I want to go to the my folder. Look at it, Moise is already there. You see? Then so I've tried to adjust it so that it will be at once. Then I can now H2 align equal to center. Can put, let me just put information about myself so that it will be at the top of the work. Then I'll close the H2. You know, we said we should do the top alignment, the middle alignment, and the bottom alignment. So let's start with the top alignment. Start with the top alignment. Then it's going to be the image command in img, the source code, then equals to my the name I used to save my what's it called, my you have to put, I don't know, this is a column or a comma. So I save my, you have to make sure that the name you are using to save your picture, because if you not save your picture with the name you are putting here, it will not show. So I save my picture with Topper dots JPG. Now it's reading Topper dots JPG. So then we have to do the align equal to, then let me put it top, then I have to size it so that it will not be too big on the screen. Let's use the width equal to, I can put like 70%. Then I can make my height actually like 60%, make it 60% depending on what you're doing. So like that. So then I can now write the information about myself. Let me press Control. If you want to see that it's the two side is working, you can press Control S here. Then you go to this place, look at where my cursor is, and look at it. Why is it not coming? JPG is supposed to come up.